My brother Excellency Maishat Mus, Minister for Trade, Turkey, Honorable Syed Naveed Kamal, Minister of Commerce, Pakistan, Honorable Ministers, Excellencies, government officials, and members of delegation from Turkey. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Great moment and a milestone in our historical and brotherly relations, that something which has been subject of discussion for the last many years, and after our trip to Ankara in the month of May and untiring efforts on both sides from Turkey and Pakistan, led by Syed Naveed Kamal and my brother Maishat, under the dynamic leadership of Excellency President Tayyip Erdogan, and of course by the government of Pakistan, we have achieved wonderful results, and today we have signed trade goods agreement which will open vistas of opportunities between our two great brotherly countries, and our potential is unlimited. Our capacity is beyond anybody's imagination, and our commitment is outstanding. Therefore, signing of this trade and goods agreement would lead to achieving much higher heights in terms of enhanced trade and investment between our two countries. And we have been longing for this moment. So, Syed Naveed Kamal, thank you for your efforts, and your team, our Minister for